I just started doing this, but welcome back, guys, to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, yeah, cause we finna have fun yet again. Cause you know what we finna make? I haven't been seeing people recreate this. I'm gonna have to look on YouTube, but anyways, I'm finna recreate it. Guess what? I'm finna recreate one of the most legendary pieces ever. I'm gonna recreate the girl power when Galleria was wearing that tank top with like that Cheetah Girls on it. Yeah, I'm gonna recreate it with this, these, and a tank. Okay? Reference picture up. You see it? Now let's get to it. Alright, while everything's getting ready, I just wanna say I love the first Cheetah Girls movie. I love them all, but I love that one the most too. The reason why, because Galleria had a dream, okay? That girl was making so many sacrifices. She just didn't give up. She didn't care. She didn't care she had to cut off her mama. She didn't care she had to cut off her friends. Like she said in the movie, she was like, do I have to ride this solo, or do I have to ride it with or can I ride it with my girls? They thought she was playing. Whole time Galleria, she had a dream. She didn't care about school. She cared about being a superstar. She could care less. And that's what I like about her. Alright. I think I got everything right. Alright. Let's get to creating. Alright, guys, I'm back. I'm having so much fun. This sticking these anywhere. But I just wanna say one thing alright guys, I'm back. I'm almost done. I was hot, y'all. I had to change what I was wearing. Like I was just too hot. Well, I'm almost done. Ain't this coming out so nice? The camera is not doing it justice. But follow me on Instagram, you wanna see it. I'm almost done. Putting the last ones on here. And I'm gonna put it on. See how it's gonna look. Look at it. Look at it. Isn't it nice? It's so nice. I think I did amazing on this. Okay, let's try it on. Alright guys, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Look at it. Ain't it nice? Look, I got tatas. Oh, look at that. Let me stop. Ain't it nice? I fix it all up. Look at it. I did that. She wore like a jean jacket with it too. I did that. I did that. Is y'all zoomed in? Let me fix it. Alright. I like it. It's nice. Like, I can't get over it. Like, it's nice. I love this. This is so nice. You guys, that's the end of this video. This was fun. You can definitely wear it for a Halloween outfit. I can't stop looking at myself like, this is nice. Do I think I would wear it? Maybe. I think I'm just gonna like keep it just to keep. Like, it's too fragile, you know? So, yeah. Alright. Love you guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.